Wait, you're going to?
Here.
Ew, I don't. Ew, he sweats while he wears that.
I think it's dissolved by now.
How is he supposed to catch sweat without a sweatband? Do you want to make millions? Millions of babies? I have an axe. Yeah, it was from Halloween.
Asked? That's what you had said? I had asked you a question.
Ew.
I had asked it. Mira a la mí. El barquito.
Pinche barquito.
Pinche barquito. Esta es mi
I want to say
barquito.
pinche barquito because that one's funny.
El elefante es grande. I just said the elephant's big. Shouty.
God, why does my hair look so flat?
Cause your booty is.
What does that even mean?
No mames. What does that mean?
I want to bag you like some groceries.
Ooh, Ryan. You're just so for me, Ryan. All up in the street, Ryan. Trying to wipe my feet, Ryan. Yeah.
Ew.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Your mama is so fat. She sat on a rainbow and Skittles had popped it out.
I'm not gonna play.
Picture perfect memories scattered all around the floor.
Your mama's so fat. She has to use a king-size mattress as a tampon. I may not be a genie, but I can make your dreams come true.
I wish you were DSL so I could get high-speed access.
Fireflies in the moonlight, as the fireflies dance around to the beat of our heart. Watch that dust turn into dawn, stuck in a country love song.
Turn this off. I'm like so, oh my god.
I love him. Tyler Barham. I love Tyler Barham. Anyways, baby.
Alejandro. You can fall off a building, you can fall out a tree, but baby, the best is when you fall in love with me. Love me or hate me, still an obsession. Love me or hate me, that is the question. If you love me, then
thank you. If you love me, then oops.
I'm fat, I need a diet. No, in fact, I'm just enlightened. I ain't got the biggest breasts, but I ride all the bestest.
I didn't know all these
I
words.
got hairy armpits, but I don't walk around like this. I wear a big baggy t-shirt to hide that nasty.
You look so sweet, you're giving me a toothache. The corner of First and on the side,
Lost in 23.
You found me,
walking down the street. I'm Indian, I'm from India. Why'd you make me walk?
Okay, no, shut up. That was gay. That is over. You are done.
Your mama is so black, she spit grease.
Okay.
Was that an earthquake, or did you just rock my world?
Are you a magnet? Because I'm attracted to you.
Does this rag smell like chloroform to you?
Can I take a picture of you so I can show Santa just what I want for Christmas?
Why does it feel like the most beautiful girl in the world is in this room?
Do you have any reasons? No? Can I have a date?
Can I take a picture of you so I can show Santa just what I want for
Christmas? You're not allowed to do the same ones.
Do you have any raisins?
I already did that one.
You got something on your chest. It's my eyes. You've been a bad, bad boy. A bad, bad boy. Go to my room.
I forgot about that. I was like, what are you talking about?
See you later, masturbator.
In a while, pedophile.
Bye.
Bye-bye.